Hello, this is the last cheese in the melt of these three cheeses, these three new cheeses that just actually came out. Were available in stores where I am on September 1. So this is the American cheese. So I left this one for the traditional grilled cheese sandwich at the end. I'm going to use the recommended or the serving size. So the serving size is about 70 calories. It's one sheet, one piece of the cheese, and I've got that here, 2 pieces of bread. I'm going to put this in the toaster oven, and then I'm going to toast it and let it melt that way. So it's going to toast both sides. You know, the traditional grilled cheese is you put some oil in a pan or on a griddle, and you grill both sides of the bread, and you get your cheese. I'm just not going to put the extra oil, or normally they used butter. So we're talking about something, I'm not going to use any oils at all. I'm just going to try this. And it's just really for the melt characteristics of the cheese more than anything else than overall taste. And it's that simple. So I'm going to cut away, and I'll be back after I toast this in the toaster oven. Okay, I'm back. Here it is, nice and toasty. Cheese melted beautifully. I'm going to take a bite out of it. It smells like a grilled cheese sandwich or a toasted sandwich. Let's just see how it tastes. It's absolutely fantastic. Tastes like, without the grilling, obviously, but this is the way I like them, like a toasted cheese sandwich. Flavor, smell, everything. Absolutely terrific. I don't know what to say. I'm hoping that it has an impact on people using meat, eggs, and dairy. I'm FOODMAKER V, and remember, the best investment you'll ever make is an investment in your health. I'll see you next time.